Welcome. Today we're going to assemble the VAL-CO Mini Drinker. The Mini Drinker we're going to work with today is for the aluminum extrusion. It's part number VM200. There is a similar kit for the round conduit. That's VM100, and very similar, just different attachments. When you get this kit, it's going to come with the mini trough, 2 hangers, a cover. You'll get a float, a shut-off valve, your drinker nipple, and a short piece of hose that you'll adjust to length. It's fairly simple. We're going to start with the shut-off valve and the float, and we'll just press the float into the shut-off valve assembly. And then if you see the grooves in the shut-off valve, they're just going to slip into this groove in the trough, and that'll slip in quite nicely. So now your float should shut off the water when it comes in. The next step is to put the cover on. You want to note that there's some webbing on the back here, and that'll line up with these slots in the water trough. So this will slide in the back side here, and I'll just clip it on the front and press it over the back, and then just work it in until those webs align with those slots, so you should be set there. The next step is to put your hangers on. So I'm just going to slide them in the end, and for me it works best if I just push them over, and there's a clip that'll clip it into place, and you can see the grooves in here that it clips into. We'll do the same thing on this side. We'll slide that into place. Okay. And your assembly is finished and ready to go onto the water line. After you've assembled the trough, it's time to clip it onto the water line, and just clip these clips onto the water line. They'll go right underneath some of the existing drinkers. I'll use my VAL-CO drinker installation tool, and I'm going to slide that in and work it up, and then just bring it over till it clicks into place. Next, we'll just need to put our hose in between the barbs. You'll want to leave a little bit of extra, but not too much. You'll slip these on, and I'm not going to cut this right now, but I'll show you why you want some extra on here. When the birds are ready to be turned over to the drinkers, you want to to put this in the storage position. There's a little bit of a groove here. You can just press up on the water pipe and snap that into the aluminum extrusion on both ends. And now it'll be in the storage position.